Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Realme teases the launch of a flagship smartphone featuring a periscope camera. The device is rumored to sport the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, expected to debut later this year. Highlights include a 64 megapixel telephoto camera and FHD plus OLED display. Speculation suggests support for at least 240-watt fast charging. Teaser images showcases a distinctive circular camera module on the rear panel. Next up we have PhonePe launches the Indus App Store developer platform aims to disrupt Google's Play Store monopoly, offers zero platform fees and no in-app purchase commissions. Developers can list apps without fees initially with nominal charges after a year. Accessible in 12 Indian languages, follows the Indian government decision to allow third-party app store. Google reveals new WAM subsea cable system linking the US, Bermuda, and Portugal, part of efforts to enhance internet infrastructure and cloud-based services solely funded by Google. Operational planned for 2026, significance for Google Cloud Computing and video streaming ventures, part of a series of subsea cable investment including Unity, Dunant, and Equinano. India extends deadline for laptop import restrictions. Initial deadline of 1 November deemed impractical for manufacturers. New deadline unspecified but expected to ease industry challenges. Affects brands like Apple, Samsung and Dell. Aims to accommodate potential demand during festive season. Compliance requirements set by the Indian government. Amazon introduces generative AI capabilities to Alexa, focuses on personalized responses and improved conversational engagement, aims to make Alexa more relatable, combines large language models (LLMs) with real-time device interaction, targets users aged 2 to 100 years old, optimization for voice interactions, homes and attractions. Next up we have Israeli firm Insanet unveils spyware delivery via online ad networks, converts targeted ads into Trojan horses, a form of malicious software. 74 governments contracted for spyware from 2011 to 2023. Insanet's advanced spyware, legally authorized by Israeli government, raises concerns about user security and privacy. At last, an investor service recently made unsupported claims against Aadhaar, the widely trusted digital ID system in India, which has been used over 100 billion times for authentication. The report lacks evidence and fails to cite any primary or secondary data or research to support its assertions. It did not seek information from the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, the authority responsible for Aadhaar. The report inaccurately stated that 1.2 billion Aadhaars have been issued, while the UIDAI's website provides updated numbers. The report suggested that biometric technology used in Aadhaar caused service denials for manual laborers in India's hot, humid climate, particularly in programs like MG and REGS. However, it failed to acknowledge that Aadhaar seeding in MG and REGS doesn't require biometric authentication and payments are made directly to workers' accounts without biometric verification. This highlights the unwavering trust in Aadhaar demonstrated by over a billion Indians and emphasizes the need for factual and evidence-based discussions around the system's impact and effectiveness. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था, इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की पूरी ये सीरीज है। सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल बेचता था। ये चीज बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहां पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी से। उसने आइडिया स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।